नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वामी ने फेसबुक पेज पर अपडेट से आपका स्वागत करता हूं। देखिए अभी हम है अपर कोर्ट के बाहर
All right, we're getting in visuals of Gohar Chishti. Remember, the court today gave its verdict in the Sar Tan Se Juda case of Ajmer. The court has acquitted all the 6 accused involved in this case. And let us tell you that this case was going on in the court for a long time, and after several hearings, the verdict has come in, and all the 6 accused, including the Khadim of Dargah Gohar Chishti, has been buried. And there you have the visuals coming in. On that's a big development in the Sar Tan Se Juda hate speech case, and all the 6 accused have been acquitted. That includes the Khadim of the Dargah, Gohar Chishti. You are getting latest visuals of Gohar Chishti there. It's a big development in the Sar Tan Se Juda hate speech case. And we're getting latest visuals. And this is a decision of the court by after 2 years. This is a case that finds its origin in Ajmer. We'll get you more reactions on that, viewers, but the big update we have right now is that the 6 accused in the Sar Tan Se Juda case have been acquitted by the court, and that includes a Khadim of the Dargah, Gohar Chishti. And for more on this, I'm being joined by my colleague Madhurima Mishra, who has more details on this story. Madhurima, over to you.
Well, this is the verdict coming in, and the person who's been acquitted today is the Ajmer Dargah cleric who's been acquitted in the.
इसके लेकर पूरे मुसलमानों में रोष था और उन्होंने एक मौन जुलूस निकाला था। मौन जुलूस का फ़ायदा उठाया इन मुलजिमान ने और इन्होंने एक ऐसा नारा लगाया जो भारत में कभी नहीं लगा था। सर तन से जुदा का इन्होंने नारा लगाया। उसके बाद उदयपुर की घटना हुई, अमरावती में घटना हुई, वहाँ मर्डर हुए। इन लोगों के विरुद्ध प्रकरण दर्ज हुआ, मामला चला। 2 साल से मुख्य आरोपी गोहर चिश्ती जेसी में था। आज माननीय न्यायालय ने सभी मुलजिमान को सभी सेक्शंस में बरी कर दिया है। मैं पूरे फैसले का अवलोकन करूंगा, पढ़ूंगा उसको, उसके बाद माननीय उच्च न्यायालय में जल्द से जल्द अपील पेश करूंगा। गुलाम नजमी फारूकी।
Okay, so this is Gohar Chishti, the Qadim of the Ajmer Dargah Sharif, who's been acquitted today. Rakshita, remember the case that happened with Nupur Sharma, and after those the very strict proceedings were done, and after a very long hearing that has been going on for a couple of months, this particular verdict has come. We'll have to wait and watch as to what would be the political repercussions of this, but as of now what we're learning at the moment is that Gohar Chishti has been acquitted of all charges in that particular slogan that he had raised, Sar Tan Se Juda, by the court.
On what basis are you learning that the court has acquitted these 6 accused, including Gohar Chishti, Madhurima?
Well, like I said, that there were multiple hearings that were done in this particular matter. The court had observed that in the way this entire proceeding was held, and the kind of evidence that they had were not enough to back the kind of sentence that the petitioner was seeking, and which is why this decision has come from the Rajasthan court.
Absolutely, of course, and we were getting live visuals, viewers coming in, the latest visuals coming in from Ajmer. Right now you can see Gohar Chishti there, and the latest update we have is that the 6 accused in the lower court have been, 6 accused have been acquitted by the lower court. That is the big update that we have on this.